To use PayPal on Pandabuy, start by creating an account on the Pandabuy website if you have not already done so. Once you have an account, browse the website for the items you wish to purchase and add them to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the Checkout button and select PayPal as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the PayPal website where you will need to log into your PayPal account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can create one at this time. Once you are logged in, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the items being purchased. Next, confirm the payment and wait for the confirmation page. This page will indicate that the payment has been successfully completed. You will also receive an email from PayPal and Pandabuy confirming the transaction. It is essential to ensure that your PayPal account is funded or linked to a credit or debit card to avoid any payment issues. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using PayPal, such as transaction fees. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to only use PayPal on secure websites like Pandabuy and never share your PayPal login credentials with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use PayPal on Pandabuy to make your purchases.